Blur the background of your photos like a professional camera. Just 5 minutes, in Photoshop.
Okay.
Let's go.
To blur the background behind the subject, begin by separating the subject from the background. Take a copy of the original layer and start the subject separation. We can perform the selection process in 2 ways, automatically or manually. To save time on learning, I use the automatic method. I deselect the extra parts as well. Now it's time for the hair. Carefully do this task. Mask the selected layer. Click on the mask layer twice to easily and professionally separate the hair from the background. To separate the hair from the background effectively, I suggest watching the tutorial that we previously uploaded to the channel so that you can do this task professionally and quickly. You can access this tutorial from the link at the top of the page or the link inside the description. This step has been successfully completed. The next step is to remove the subject from the original background. Hold down the Control key and click on the masked layer to show the selected parts again. From the Select menu, go to Modify and then choose Expand to increase the selection margin. Go to the Edit tab, select Fill, Content Aware, press OK. A magic happens. Now, we erase the extra parts. Select the original layer, then go to the Filter menu, choose Blur Gallery, and select Tilt Shift. In this part, you can adjust the blur level behind the subject by increasing or decreasing the values according to your preference. Make the desired adjustments as you like. In the bokeh section, you can turn the lights in the background into colorful bokeh with the intensity you desire. With this method, you can transform a photo taken with your mobile phone into one that looks like it was captured with a professional camera. To improve the final result, remove any extra parts in the image. Next, slightly blur the edges, using the Blur tool. The magic happens. And this is the final result of this tutorial. You can download this image from the link provided in the description. Support us by subscribing and liking. Also, leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.